The methods used to magnetize are single touch method, which you can see on the right side, the picture. Then the double touch or the divided touch. From two sides, you use two magnets to magnetize the steel bar or the iron bar. Okay. And another is the electrical method. Three ways to magnetize a magnetic material, like the single touch, the double touch, and the electrical method. In a single touch, you use a magnet and you stroke it on a steel or iron bar in the same direction a few times. Okay. The more number of strokes, the stronger the magnet. And in divided touch or the double touch, you use two magnets to stroke it in two different directions. Okay. So you have to keep on doing this a few times, minimum 25 to 30 times. Then you can start getting the magnetism in the magnetic substance you want to magnetize.